Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In 60 seconds or so, I'm going to show you when you would water your seed starts and how to water your seed starts. And it's really important that you actually let the tops of the seed starts dry a bit. That helps manage molds and fungus and other problems. Just let them dry out a little bit. So when we start over here, you see how dark the seed starting mix is. That's almost fully saturated. It's a nice dark brown. As we come over here, it's a light brown. The tops have dried. The tops of these cells have dried out. That's when you're thinking about watering, and you see that they're a little bit lighter over here. Same thing over here. The smaller cells are more brown. Here's a perfect example. Light. It's ready to be watered, and dark, fully saturated. When you allow the tops to dry, it helps manage fungus problems and mold problems because they do like the water. And you can see, it's a little bit hard, but you can see the bottom, well now, which was the top, is dry, but as you go into deeper the cell, it's dark, which means moisture stays below the level. So when the tops dry out, that's just a sign you're going to have to water in 1 or 2 days, but there's plenty of moisture underneath. When you're watering, you don't want to water from the top. It's hard to do. It splashes the starting mix around, could move molds and fungus around, and it would take a long time to do all these. So what you do is pop out your cell and you bottom water. Fill the bottom of the tray about a 1/4 inch deep, 1/3 deep, and you let the water sit in there 20-30 minutes or so. Whatever's left after 30 minutes you can dump out, but it will absorb. It'll wick the water up from the bottom, and it will give you perfect even watering every time. Hope you enjoyed the video. It gives you some ideas of when to, gives you some idea to recognize when your seed starts have to be watered. And it's really, you're just looking for the color to go from a dark brown to a light brown. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out my channel for other 60 seconds or so videos.